Hey guys, really quickly before the video starts, I just wanted to say a couple things. So first of all, I recorded this the day that the Mineplex Halloween update came out, so that's why it's still in the old update. When the Halloween update came out, I wanted to put out some videos about the Halloween update and also the two events. So that's why this video is a tad late coming out. But yeah, I mean, I could have put like 4 videos out on the same day, but I quite honestly don't like putting a bunch of videos out at once. I kind of like putting out a video maybe every 2 days or 3 days, because quite honestly, I think it's just a bunch to watch if it's every other day or even every day. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below about that. And also, really quickly, in the video, I had a mission to get 25 eliminations in Super Paintball. And as you'll see in the video, obviously I did get all of the eliminations, all 25 that I needed, but it didn't give me the quest, and that quest I had actually bought that same day. So I don't know what it is. Maybe, I don't know what's going on with Mineplex. Maybe I did something wrong, bought it the wrong way. Maybe something's wrong with Mineplex then. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section below. But anyways, guys, hope you guys joined the video, and I'll see you guys on the other side. Hey guys, what's going on? Buster72 here, and today we are in Mineplex. So, lately, the mission slime here has been given a lot of, missions for Super Paintball. So, right now I have 4 of them up, which is get 25 eliminations with a rifle kit. So, might be 30 with the machine gun. I have no idea, I can't see it. Maybe it's 25 also. Kill 25 enemies, and then this is also 25 eliminations with a shotgun kit. So, let's see if we can finish some of those today. Let's get into it. So, I have the shotgun kit right now. Hopefully, it turns out okay. So, let's go. Oh man, why? No. Oh man, why are you wasting your water things? No, how are you hitting me? No, hit me. Can't touch this. Oh yeah. Okay, there we go. And there's you. I can only revive one more player. No. That was saddening. Very much so. But I got elimination, the shotgun. I'm happy. Not bad. That's weird. Alright. Let's stay with the shotgun, you know what? And see if we can get all the eliminations with it that we need. I have no idea how many I have so far, so let's do it. I'm really sure I have at least 25 already. So I got 1 that last time. I must have gotten at least 10 from other rounds. Alright, so let's say 11 so far. And I know it's 25. This is a death zone right here. But there's no one inside. No, he saw me. How? Hey, will you heal me? Or were you the... Oh, you healed me. Thank you. We're out of here. Okay. There's one guy up there. But I'll leave him alone. Here he is. No! Almost. Someone heal me? You guys? It's a bunch of you guys. Don't tell me none of you have water. Do you have? Yes, you do. Thank you. Alright. Well, that's the end of the game. Oh boy. So, how many eliminations did I get that time? Let's check. Come on. And 3. So that's going to be 14. Really sure that's 3 eliminations. Yeah, alright, so 14. And we need 25. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, 8 on 8. It's even. Let's go. Oh, I don't like this map. Quickly. Thank you. Quickly think those guys, 5 treasure shards. It's a bit. It can go a while. Alright, let's heal some guys. Darn it. No! Are you serious? I was like, did you just get painted again? Okay. 4 left. Here's 1. Nope. Okay, we have him. I don't want to use my last water bomb to heal myself. See if I can get with a teammate and then both and then cleanse myself and revive at the same time. Those up there. Oh darn, they're do you have him? No! So close. Okay. No, revive us. Don't go after them. I mean, unless you're out. I don't think you are. Yeah, he wasn't. Alright, let's get you. And I'm out. So, let's find these last 2 guys. Let's get... There we are. No! Oh man! Right when he turned around, we both shot each other. At least we won. Good game on that. How many eliminations did we get? We got 2. So that is 16. And you guys might be wondering, how do I know I got 10? I am pretty sure. I know I got 5 in one game, which I should have had on recording because I mean it was awesome. Like I just came up from behind them and like finished off 5 of them in like 3 shots. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. What is this? Overpass. Cool. That's a flipped car. I just noticed that. And it's supposed to be in flames. I just noticed that too. You are bad. Okay, I'm bad too. But you know what? Alright, I'm coming for you. Heal. Hey, I got elimination this round. I'm happy. No, you beat me. Just barely though. What on earth? Okay. Heal? 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 Oh, that's the game. Awesome. How many eliminations did I get? 2 at least. 3? Wait, let me check. I got 3. Okay, so we're at 14 now. Alright guys, so we're still at 14 eliminations. Let's see if we hopefully can get one. It's been about 3 games straight we've gone without elimination. Here we go, here we go. There's one. Yes. Finally broke that 3-game non-elimination streak. So happy with that. Ah, why? Darn it. What? Well, we got one, I think. We'll check in the end. Let's get back so I can check. Alright, I got 1. Alright, so that's 15. And it still shows the click to cancel thing. So, hey, 13 melon launchers, not bad, not bad. So, we're now at 15 eliminations. Let's see if we can get more eliminations and not just go on a strike of eliminations, as we've kind of been on lately. Alright. You have a shotgun too. This will not go well for us. Sniper rifle. You get your snippy rifle. Hi, buddy. We both suck, don't worry. There's one, yes. Oh man, we got teamed on a little too much. And there's only one left, and he's a sniper. And we're done. Hey, but we got elimination though. That's what matters. So, should be good. Let me make sure I got the elimination. Yep, 16. 16 now. So, alright. You know what? I'm not going to try to jump up all these at once. Let's see, take it one at a time. Whoa. Hi. Yeah, that's not going to work. We're going to have to wait a little bit. But 16 eliminations. Let's keep this elimination streak going. We have 2 games with at least 1 elimination in so far. Well, it's only been 1, so. 7 seconds to get on top of this thing. 3, 2, 1, not gonna work. Alright, let's not go dry on eliminations. Let's do this. Oh, that is so cool. All of us lined up. Okay. No! Oh my goodness. Almost got slaughtered there. There's one. We're good. There's 2. Man, we're on a roll. No, help me. Help me. Help me. You? Really? Come on. Thank you. Alright, and then you're gonna do him, aren't you? Okay. And then I will get that guy. Okay. We have a few so far. Last water bomb goes to you. Yeah. Thought I was on the opposite team for a second. Okay. Okay. You're done, so kabunzo. Just let me get close enough. No! Alright, someone else got him, but hey, that's okay. We got a bunch of eliminations there. Where were we at? Were we at 15? 16? Let's call it 15. 5 kills. Okay. Yeah. Alright, you guys, so I think it's 15 or 16, I don't know. You guys are gonna look back in this video and be like, Busters, it's 16, but I'm gonna call it 15. So we're at 20. Alright guys, so we're at 15 eliminations. And I think it's been about 3 games now that we've gone without a kill. So, let's try to break that. And get an elimination or so. Let's go. Watch. And no elimination that round either. I'm just starting to think that I'm really, really bad. I mean, I am really, really bad. It's just worse than I thought. Okay. Alright guys, we're at 15 eliminations. And we've gone 4 straight games without a single win. I mean, sorry, elimination. So let's see if I can break it. No. I hate you. Thank you. Are you serious? That is saddening. Wait, did I just get 2? Or was that someone else? But, he was gone. Hmm. There we go. Want to say we got an elimination there? At least one, because I know I saw it up in chat and here. So let's see how many we got. We got 1. All right. Well, that breaks our 4-game losing streak. And that puts us at 16. I want to say. Yeah, 16 eliminations. So, let me see if I can get more. Let's do this, guys. This map. Don't know what to say. Yeah, I am gonna have to edit out all the moments where I don't get eliminations in the game. Otherwise, it's gonna be like an over 40-minute video, and I'm pretty sure you guys don't want to watch a 40-minute video about me just failing. I mean, if you guys do, then you're unusual. I'm not gonna even give you guys the option to ask me to put it up. Oh, there's one. Awesome. There's two. Awesome. Could that be three? Oh, didn't get enough of a lead. Hey, you got water bombs, don't you? Hey, you do too. You do. What? I'm pretty sure you did. Thank you. And I am out. Darn it. Oh my goodness, this is bad. There we go. Ugh. I'm out of water bombs. Wait. Yes! Finished them. Man, that was close. Holy cow. How many eliminations did I get there? Let's go check. 5. Nice. So we're at 21. And it still says click to cancel. So I think this mission might be just too old or something. Cause yeah, it shouldn't be this way. Or maybe I just did not get as many eliminations as I thought I did. But I know for sure it's might be. Alright, you know what? It might be 30. We'll play up to 30, just in case it is. Whoa! He's fast. Somebody gonna. Thank you. There's one. We're good. Alright, we got one. Hey, we're buddies, aren't we? There's two. There's three, I want to say. Alright. And that's it. I want to say we got 3. We were at 21. Yeah. I'm not wrong. 3, yep, so we're at 24. There is a chance that this could be 30. Now I'm going to play it as if it is 30. And get 6 more eliminations. And if I don't have it, then I guess it's too old, and Mindplex, you have to fix your stuff, I guess, or something like that. Let us know it's too old, so I don't suffer with the shotgun kit the whole time. Alright, let's go. There's 8 of us on 7 of them. Let's go this way, because one of them is a sniper. Alright, we have 24 eliminations. There we go. 2, yes. Okay. Not gonna revive him because he's not on our team. I get the greatest feeling there's a bunch of them up here. Don't you too? I healed myself. I promise I did. Alright, so we were at 24. About 30% sure. No, I'm kidding. Hey, buddy. Alright, well, that's that. Let's see how many we had. Yeah, we'll go GG. So we were at 24. How many do we get? Only 2. Okay. So 26. That still says to cancel. Because if it was ready to collect, it'd be a left click. And it says you haven't completed that Mindplex mission yet. So it could be 30. You just need 4 more kills / eliminations. I like saying kills, I don't know why. I know it's eliminations, but sorry guys. I say kills. Alright guys, so we're at 26 eliminations. Think the mission might be for 30. So I'm gonna keep on going. Just in case it's possible to get it. Kinda doubt it to be so, because I've been working on it for a little bit of a while. There's one. Alright, we're good. Darn it. Didn't work. Hey, we got one. It's a good thing. We're one closer. Or at least I hope I got one. We'll check. Come on. Let me check. So we were at 26. And, yep, 27. And this guy still not going to give us the reward yet. So, oh man, we're gonna have to wait. Let's see if there's a faster way of doing this. So we have 27 eliminations. We need 3 more. Then should have our mission completed. I'm not wrong, you can run over these things, right? I'm not risky. Yep, you can. Wait, did I get it? Yes! Finally! 4 games of nothingness. I'll save you. Okay. How? Did that not work? What on earth? No. Ugh, I'm so mad I did not get him. Alright, but we had a couple eliminations. Hopefully someone will come and heal me. Come up those stairs. Good boy, good boy. And then drop of water. Neither one of you are going to do that. Okay, but hey, we've got a couple eliminations. Either 2 or 3. I think it's 2. So then that will put us at 29 if it is 2. Yep, we got 2. So that'd be 29. And it still says click to cancel. So I'm thinking this is a glitch with Mineplex, because I know for sure it is not past 30. So I know that for a fact. Alright guys, so we have I have no idea. 29 eliminations. This says Shotgun Kit Super Paintball. Doesn't tell us how many though. And it says you haven't completed the mission yet. So it might be 30. We're gonna go and see if it is. And if it doesn't give it to us, I'm just gonna have to cancel it, because it means that it's not working. And I know for a fact that it's not over 30. So yeah. Anyways, let's see if we can get the last elimination that we need on this map. Not gonna push up that far. Darn it. I stopped sprinting. Okay, let's see. No one there. Or there. Well, it will save you. Almost ran across and fell down, as I often do. Yeah, okay, there's one elimination. We are good. We are good. Yes! Finally got that. We are good. Alright. Finally got that. Alright, let's go back and check and see if it counted once this is over, just in case I have to wait for it to like register and say like, yeah, he completed the mission and everything, blah blah blah. Alright. Finally we did that. Alright guys. Let's see, did it work? Let's hope. Let's hope it did. Come on, please work. Where? Oh, there you are. And no! Still haven't completed it. So you know what? We're gonna have to cancel it. Unfortunately. And yeah, I have no idea what was wrong with that. Anyways, guys, if you guys know what was wrong with it, let me know in the comment section below. Maybe it was just too old or something like that. I don't know. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Sorry for such a long video. I'm gonna try to edit it down to be as short as I possibly can. But yeah, this turned out to be a super long video. And in the end, yes, we got exactly 30 eliminations. Although 5 of them I did not show in this video. Sorry guys, forgot to do that. But anyways guys, thank you for watching, and hope to see you guys in the next video.